Hello, good day everyone. This is Tevz. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a sharp 40-inch LED TV, model LC-40SA5100M. It's turning on, but the display is darker on the left side. I'll show you how to repair it. If you're interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you've came to the right channel. So why not consider subscribing for more great content? And make sure to like and ring the notification bell to never miss a video like this. So let's get started.
Who might be a resource person against?
The image appears darker on the other side. It may seem like a backlight issue, but it is actually a problem with the LCD panel. The LCD panel has an ears or COF at the side of the panel. But not only on one side, but both sides has a COF. This means we can remove the bad COF on the side that has a problem, such as a darker area on the other side of the image. So let's remove the frame and try removing the COF. Removing the bad COF is similar to cutting the CKV line on a GIP panel. This method is only for a non-GIP panel that has both side ears or a chip on film. Let's turn on the TV while removing the COF. We will remove the COF on the darker side of the panel. As you can see, the image is much better now. There is a mark like it has damage inside the glass. Not totally fixed the screen, but removing the COF method is effective.
Paggawa ng papel, inayos niyo. May partisipasyon kayo sa kwento ni
A few moments later.
Paggawa ng papel, inayos niyo. May partisipasyon kayo sa papakita ko lang sa inyo, pero ayoko siyang take up and intake kasi hindi naman siya mainstream.
This yellow mark may be a corrosion inside the LCD glass, so the image is still darker in this area. There's no way to fix it, but the result of removing the COF is effective. The result of the image is acceptable. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can support this channel by liking and subscribing. Click the notification bell to stay updated. Once again, this is Tebs. See you again next time. Bye for now.